Want to turn your creativity into Robux in Roblox and potentially become the next big thing? Then let's dive into how to play PLS Donate. First, open Roblox and search for PLS Donate in the game search bar, then click the play button to join the game. Once you're in the game, you'll find yourself in a bustling hub filled with other players and stands. Your main goal is to set up your own donation stand where other players can give you Robux. To do that, head to an unclaimed plot on the ground. These will be marked as available. Walk to the plot and stand on the highlighted area. You'll automatically claim it. If it's not letting you claim a plot, then you may need to join a different server by leaving and rejoining the game. After claiming your plot, you'll need to set up your donation stand. An unclaimed plot will have nothing set, so walk up to what's in front of you and interact with it to edit it. This is where the real fun begins. In the stand editor, you can customize your stand with text and, if you have the option, different shapes and sizes. Tap the box to start typing what you want people to donate for. Be creative and use compelling text to encourage donations. The better you are at persuading others, the more Robux you get. Next, configure the donation amounts. You can choose to have specific donation amounts like 10, 50, 100, or even more Robux. Consider a range to give players options. Once everything is set, confirm your changes to save it. Now your stand is ready. Stand back and watch as players walk over to donate to you. The Robux you earn will go directly into your Roblox account. That's all there is to it. Now get out there and get donating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials and tips.